In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert an Excel file into PDF. So let's get started. Okay, so open your Excel sheet. I have this example from here. So in order to convert this into PDF, you just need to simply click on the File tab on the ribbon. Now here you can find the option Save As. Click on that. Now click on Browse and browse for the location as to where you want it to be saved. Now let's go with Desktop. For the file name, you can change that from here if you want to. Save as type, click on this drop down arrow, and here you can find different options, but we have to choose PDF. Okay, then we just need to simply click on save. Now let's look in the desktop, and here it is. We have just converted the Excel file into PDF. Okay, as easy as that, and it is also offline. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.